Hi traders, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. So today we will open trades on gold. So first of all, let's check our trade, then I'll show the reason. Basically, price here made QMR buy, which is reversal setup. First of all, price made low, then it made high, lower low, higher high, and last point is our entry point. So that's the full structure of QMR buy. By the way, I have shared that trade on Telegram channel, and I again tell them that that's a diamond setup because there was 3 confirmation. There was blind spot buy, SNR 7 buy, and QMR buy. So that was diamond setup, and it can be used as full margin setup. That's our invalid zone for our trade. If price break our zone, then it's invalid, it can go further down. So let's move on. Basically, on M30 price made blind spot buy. First it made resistance, or we can say that failed engulf, then it break that, and last point is our entry point. On higher time frame there is also bullish engulf. So bullish engulf is used as confirmation only. That's not a setup by itself. It's used as confirmation in every trade, and it makes our trade or setup more stronger. So alhamdulillah, price is running. We can add more layers because that's called compounding technique. In compounding technique, we add layers with time. So we made ultimate good profit. Here alhamdulillah, price going well, and we have added our layers. So by the way, we can mark our TP area. Basically, TP area is such zone. First of all, let me tell you, that's our break supply zone. That means that's unfresh supply zone. Price can easily surpass that zone because it already break it. So that's our target profit area. Target profit area is our roadblock, which is blind spot sell. So roadblock means setup against setup. So that's our TP area. Whenever the price reaches there, we can close our trade and collect our TP. So alhamdulillah, price going well, and it almost reached to our TP zone. So without wasting any time, we can close our trade. I hope this trade will be helpful for you. Keep doing back testing. See you next trade, and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.